Did you know you can also archive an inventory? In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to copy, archive, and delete an inventory or inventory items. Only a team administrator can manage inventories as a whole. As you navigate to the Inventories tab, the list of all the inventories opens up. Here you can select a particular inventory that has been created in your team, and you then have the option to edit its name, duplicate the structure, that is the inventory columns but not the items, or archive the inventory. Once you archive an inventory, this inventory is moved to the Archived Inventories list. You can access this list by changing the view on this screen up here. If I checkmark an archived inventory, I can choose to restore it or permanently delete it. Please keep in mind that if you choose to delete an inventory, all the data inside the inventory will be lost, and all the references to the inventory items will be rendered invalid. Similarly, a team administrator or a normal user on the team level can also duplicate, archive, and delete inventory items. Navigate to Active Inventories, select an inventory, and then checkmark the items you wish to work with. These items can now be duplicated or archived. Archived items of a particular inventory can be viewed here. Here is also where you can restore or permanently delete these items. Select them, click Delete, and confirm with Delete. To go back to your active items, switch the view here. For more information about Synode, you can check out the description below.